never quit. When we were in December in 1979, I saw her. Ayan. So, sorority siya, fraternity ako. And you know, sa fraternity doon, merong hazing nga, psychological, emotional hazing, and physical hazing. Bawat adel na tatanggapin mo, sasabihin sa'yo, spell quit! Siyempre, hindi mo spell na Q-U-I-T, di ba? How do you spell? N-E-V-E-R. Di ba? Bawat N, in! Ang tama mga subjects mo doon, eh? So, how do you spell quit?
N-E-V-E-R.
How do you spell quit?
N-E-V-E-R.
If you quit, remember this, quitters never win. Winners
Never win.
And this business is not easy, my dear friends, my family. This is not easy. It's not one of the core items in our business. What does the business say? It's simple, yet doable. That's not easy.
Yes.
So you'll be encountering a lot of rejections, diba? Frustrations, even self-doubt. Kasi nung pumunta ako dito, engineer ako. Sabi ko, hindi ako bagay. Hindi ako marunong mag-sales. I'm not a natural-born salesman. Although when I was young, nagtinda ako ng turon, ng mais. Mais! Nagkita! I'm not really born salesman. When I joined this company, what crossed my mind was, naku, magbibenta kami ng insurance at saka mga pwede ibenta dito sa companies na hindi bagay sa akin. I had my doubts. And I also had my fears. Kasi 30 years ako sa corporate world. Bossing ako, director ako eh. For quality and training. Tapos, tinatanong ako ng mga dati kong tao, Sir, sa insurance na pala kayo ngayon. Saan ko ba yung company? Hindi ko masabing IMG, 3 letters lang yun. Hindi ko masabi. I also had my doubts. I had my fears. I had my frustrations. But did I quit?
No.
That's why we're here now. That's why you are here now. That's why all of you have been helped by this concept. And had we quit, saan na kaya kami ngayon? Saan kaya natapos si Chay? Baka sa kalsada, ano? God is good. All the pieces of the puzzle was really laid out perfectly well for us. We were able to be valuable, we were introduced to this company, we were inspired by our leaders, is one, nabalu-balutot ng English, yet 3 million pesos per day ang income. Ako mas mahusay pa mag-English sa kanya. Wala kang 30,000 per day. May 3,000 per day at the time that I joined this company. Wala akong income na ganun. Siya 3 million per day. Kaya mo bilangin yun eh. Kaya mo ubusin? Sige, hindi na. 60, hindi na sabi, di ba? Hanggang ngayon, di ba? 60, ha? 60. Yeah. Did he also quit? You read this story. Diba? First 8 BPM, nobody joined. Kayo, nakakailang BPM na. Tapos gusto niyo na mag-quit. Never. Spell quit!
N-E-V-E-R.